I wanted to briefly talk to you about some of the different treatments for cough associated with COVID-19 infection. There are many over-the-counter cough and cold medicines that one might consider taking for treatment of cough. These include cough suppressants, cough drops. In addition, people can try soups and hot beverages. There are humidifiers that may help relieve some of the chest congestion. Importantly, it is really best to avoid nebulizer treatments, as this helps create aerosolized particles, such that metered dose inhalers are a better treatment for those who have asthma or COPD or other underlying lung conditions.